Luxury cars are often seen as money pits, but not all of them. Some models prove you can have comfort, style, and long-term reliability without breaking the bank. I do the best research to bring you these lists, so make sure to subscribe and join the channel for more videos like this. 2013 Acura RDX. The RDX is one of those luxury SUVs that quietly built a reputation for being both dependable and affordable to own. Under the hood, it carries a 3.5-liter V6 that delivers smooth, consistent power, while being one of the most durable engines in its class. With regular oil changes and simple care, it's not unusual to see this vehicle pass 200,000 miles without any major issues. On the road, it's a great balance of comfort and control. The suspension feels tuned just right, soft enough to absorb rough pavement, but firm enough to keep the SUV stable through corners. Whether you're in city traffic or cruising down the highway, it gives drivers a sense of confidence that many luxury crossovers struggle to match. Step inside, and you'll notice that Acura focused on practicality and quality over flashy extras. Leather seating, supportive chairs, and a premium audio system come standard, while the cabin layout remains simple and easy to live with. Even today, it feels modern without being overly complicated. What makes it really stand out is how little it asks from its owners compared to rivals. While many luxury SUVs from this era can drain your wallet with constant repairs, this one keeps things simple and reliable. That's why it's often recommended as one of the smartest entry-level luxury SUVs. You get style, performance, and long life without the headaches. 2012 Hyundai Genesis. The 2012 Hyundai Genesis was designed to compete with the big names in luxury sedans. But what really set it apart was how surprisingly reliable it turned out to be. Buyers could choose between a strong 3.8-liter V6 or an even more powerful V8, both paired with a smooth automatic transmission. These engines are known for going the distance, often surpassing 200,000 miles with only basic maintenance, something that puts it in a very rare category for affordable luxury. On the road, the Genesis feels refined and composed. The ride is quiet, the suspension soaks up bumps with ease, and the steering is smooth enough to make long drives relaxing. It doesn't try to be a sporty sedan. Instead, it focuses on comfort, and that's exactly what many luxury car owners are looking for. Inside, the cabin feels upscale and well put together. Leather seats, real wood trim, and a generous set of standard features give it the premium atmosphere buyers expect, but without the overly complex systems that often cause problems in European rivals. Even today, the interior holds up well, showing how carefully it was built. The real beauty of the Genesis is that it gives you luxury without the stress of constant repairs. It proved that Hyundai could build a sedan with comfort, class, and longevity, making it one of the most underrated bargains in the luxury segment. 2013 Buick LaCrosse. This large sedan built its reputation on quiet comfort and surprising reliability. Buyers could choose between a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder with e-assist or a smooth V6, and both options have proven capable of lasting well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. On the road, it's calm and composed, tuned to deliver a smooth ride rather than sharp handling. The cabin stays quiet, even at highway speeds, giving it the relaxed character drivers expect in a luxury car. Inside, the design is upscale without being flashy. Leather seating, premium trim, and user-friendly technology give it a high-end feel, while avoiding the overcomplication that plagues many rivals. Even today, the interior holds up well, showing how carefully it was built. What makes this sedan a smart choice is how little it asks from its owners. You get comfort, style, and dependability without the constant trips to the mechanic, making it one of the best affordable luxury buys on the used market. 2014 Chrysler 300. This full-size American sedan combines bold styling with dependable engineering. Most versions carry a 3.6-liter V6, known for its durability, while the available Hemi V8 adds more power without sacrificing longevity. Both engines pair with a smooth automatic transmission, creating a setup that can keep going for years with routine care. On the road, it feels solid and confident. The ride is tuned for comfort, with enough weight to provide stability at highway speeds and a quiet cabin that isolates passengers from the outside world. It's designed more for cruising than corner carving, and that makes it an excellent long-distance car. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, comfortable interior with leather seating and Chrysler's intuitive Uconnect system. Materials age well, and the overall design has a timeless appeal. What stands out most is its ability to deliver luxury and presence without the constant repair bills often tied to premium sedans. It's an affordable way to enjoy full-size comfort with dependable performance. 2013 Lincoln MKS. This underrated sedan shows that American luxury can be both refined and dependable. It came with a strong 3.7-liter V6 or the optional EcoBoost twin-turbo, both engines paired with a 6-speed automatic that holds up well over time. With routine maintenance, these powertrains are known to deliver well over 200,000 miles, surprising many who expected higher upkeep costs. On the road, it feels composed and steady. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps with ease, while the cabin stays quiet, even at highway speeds. It has the presence of a larger luxury car, but handles daily driving with little effort, making it versatile for both commuting and long-distance travel. Inside, the MKS delivers a mix of premium materials and modern features. Leather upholstery, advanced technology like sync, and supportive seating give it a high-end feel that still holds up today. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, designed with everyday usability in mind rather than just looks. What makes this sedan a smart buy is how it offers premium comfort without the repair headaches common in many rivals. It combines durability, space, and quiet performance in a package that feels far more valuable than its current used market price. 2012 Audi A7. The Audi A7 blends sharp styling with surprising dependability, especially in this generation. Equipped with a 3.0-liter supercharged V6 and paired with a smooth automatic transmission, the setup is both powerful and long-lasting when properly maintained. Unlike some of Audi's more complex engines, this one has a solid track record for durability, making it a safer bet for buyers who want German luxury without constant repairs. On the road, the A7 feels balanced and refined. The suspension provides a smooth ride while still offering responsive handling, giving drivers both comfort and confidence. Long highway trips are effortless, and around town it feels nimble despite its size. It's a car built for drivers who want elegance paired with performance. Step inside, and the interior is every bit as impressive as the exterior. Premium leather seating, real wood and aluminum trim, and Audi's MMI system make the cabin feel modern and upscale. Even a decade later, the design holds up well, both in looks and functionality. What makes the A7 stand out is its mix of style, performance, and dependability. While many German luxury cars carry a reputation for expensive repairs, this model has proven to be one of the exceptions. It's a bold choice that delivers the full luxury experience while still keeping ownership costs manageable. 2013 Mercedes GLK 350. What makes it stand out is how dependable it is compared to many other European models. While rivals often come with costly maintenance, the GLK 350 avoids most of those headaches. It's a rare example of a German SUV that delivers luxury and longevity in one smart package. The 2013 GLK 350 is a compact luxury SUV that turned out to be one of the most reliable vehicles in Mercedes' lineup. It uses a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, a combination praised for its durability and smooth power delivery. With regular care, it's common to see these SUVs pass 200,000 miles, which is not something you can say about every German luxury vehicle. On the road, it feels solid and planted. The steering is precise, the suspension provides a comfortable ride, and the overall build quality gives you confidence at any speed. It handles both city driving and highway cruising with ease, while still offering available all-wheel drive for added security in tough weather. Inside, the GLK offers a premium cabin with high-quality materials and a straightforward design. Leather seating, wood trim, and Mercedes' classic attention to detail make it feel upscale without being overly flashy. The interior is also roomy enough to handle daily family use, while keeping the luxury vibe intact. What makes it stand out is how dependable it is compared to many other European models. while rivals often come with costly maintenance. The GLK 350 avoids most of those headaches. It's a rare example of a German SUV that delivers luxury and longevity in one smart package. 2014 Acura ILX. This compact luxury sedan proves that dependability doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Built on a Honda foundation, it uses a 4-cylinder engine paired with either a 5-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual. The powertrain may not be flashy, but it's exactly that simplicity that helps it reach hundreds of thousands of miles with only routine maintenance. Behind the wheel, it feels light and efficient. The suspension is tuned for daily comfort, soaking up rough roads smoothly, while still keeping enough agility to make driving enjoyable. It works just as well in city traffic as it does on long highway trips. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that is clean, practical, and built with quality materials. Leather upholstery, a premium sound system, and straightforward tech features make it feel upscale without being overwhelming. Even today, the design holds up well. What sets this car apart is how little it demands from its owner compared to rivals. While many entry-level luxury sedans rack up repair bills, this one stays reliable and efficient, making it one of the smartest, affordable luxury options out there. 2014 Infiniti Q50. This sleek sports sedan delivers both performance and long-term dependability. Powered by a naturally aspirated V6 paired with a 7-speed automatic, it offers strong acceleration while staying simple enough to avoid the headaches that come with turbocharged rivals. With proper care, these engines are known to cross 200,000 miles without major issues. On the road, the drive is sharp and responsive, yet still comfortable enough for daily use. The steering feels precise, the suspension balances smoothness with control, and the overall ride quality makes it just as enjoyable for commuting as it is for spirited weekend drives. Inside, the design feels modern and upscale, with leather seating, advanced infotainment, and a dual-screen setup that was ahead of its time. The cabin is roomy and well-built, making it practical as well as stylish. What makes this sedan appealing is its ability to combine speed and reliability in one package. Many luxury cars trade durability for performance, but this model manages to deliver both, giving buyers confidence that they won't be stuck with constant repairs. 2015 Lexus GS 350. This sports sedan shows why some luxury cars earn a reputation for lasting forever. Under the hood is a naturally aspirated V6 paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic, a setup celebrated for both its performance and its durability. With basic care, owners routinely see these cars sail past 250,000 miles while still running strong. On the road, the experience is a perfect mix of comfort and control. The chassis feels solid, the suspension absorbs bumps with ease, and the steering delivers just enough sharpness to keep driving engaging. It's equally at home cruising on the highway or handling winding back roads. Inside, the build quality speaks for itself. Leather upholstery, refined trim, and Lexus's attention to detail make the cabin feel timeless, while the tech features, from navigation to driver assist systems, have aged gracefully. It's a car designed to feel premium for the long haul. What sets it apart is how worry-free ownership can be. Where many European competitors drain wallets after the warranty expires, this sedan just keeps going. It proves that luxury and reliability don't have to be opposites, making it one of the smartest, affordable luxury choices you can buy used today.